Hi, today we are going to discuss surface area and volume, exercise 13.2, sixth problem onwards. The problem is given: a solid iron pole consists of a cylinder of height 220 centimeter and base diameter 24 centimeter. So you have a cylinder form. This cylinder is given height 220 centimeter and base radius 24 centimeter, which is surmounted by another cylinder of height 60 centimeter and radius 8 centimeter. So another cylinder height and radius is smaller than the previous one, so that we can draw a smaller cylindrical part above the, that is surmounted by the another cylinder, that means above the previous cylinder. So its height given 60 centimeter and radius given 8 centimeter. Now the question is, find the mass of the pole, that is find the volume, given that 1 centimeter cube of iron has approximately 8 gram mass. So we are going to give the mass weight. Here given that approximately value 8 gram mass for 1 centimeter cube. So it occupied 3 centimeter cube area or volume, means here we need to multiply by 3 into 8. Similarly 100 centimeter cube, that is weight, that area or just volume is given as 100 centimeter, that's data, that's value into 8, we need to multiply. So already we have one weight, one cylindrical part, bigger cylindrical part weight, another cylindrical part weight also given. So we are going to add their volumes. The same way, if we want to find the surface area, total surface area, means they are different. So for that we need to exclude certain parts. So that is this base circle, this one curved surface area, and another top is also a circle, but think about the common area is that smaller cylindrical part and bigger cylindrical part common area, that is this circle. So we need to exclude, that is minus this area of the circle. Next, just curved surface area, smaller one, and top. So this one is total surface area. So we need to solve according to the question. Here volume, the same way, just to find the total surface area, means we needed to solve the question also. So we want to give all type of answers. So here just volume we are going to add. In total surface area, we need to give curved surface area of this particular cylinder, base, and the top, that is total surface area, that is total surface area. If we are giving, means we need to subtract this base area, curved surface area of small cylinder, and this top circle we need to give. Okay, now come to our solution. Bigger circle and smaller cylinder, sorry, bigger cylinder and smaller cylinder, their diameter 24 centimeter, so therefore radius 12 centimeter, height given 220 centimeter, and the smaller cylinder we need to give the differences here, r and r dash, we need to give the differences as r dash, r double dash, or r1, r2, like that. Here height h dash 60 centimeter. Now we need to find the volume. Now volume of the pole equal to volume of the bigger cylinder plus volume of the smaller cylinder, that integration pi r squared h, here pi r squared h, the same way here we are going to introduce r dash and h dash. Now pi is a common term, take outside, and r squared h plus r dash squared h dash. So pi value in that question given, use pi equal to 3.14, so that we need to use pi equal to 3.14 and 12 squared, so r value 220, h value bigger cylinder. Next, the same way, smaller cylinder, radius 8 centimeter, so 8 square 64, and height 60 centimeter. So 3.4 into this 12 squared 144, 220 plus 64 into 60, we need to multiply this, so that finally we can get the decimal answer 111532.8 centimeter cube. So this is volume, that's a centimeter cube. Next, in that question, for 1 centimeter cube, that iron has approximately 8 gram. So here this much centimeter cube means we need to multiply. So this much centimeter of iron mass equal to 8 into that centimeter cube. So their product is given. So their approximate value we need to give. This one is a gram. Now we need to give as a kilogram. So for 1 kilogram we know that 1000 gram. So we need to give kilogram. So we need to divide by 1000. So put your decimal. So for that 892.2624 kilogram. This gram answer. This kilogram answer. So the question given that 1 centimeter of iron has approximately 8 gram mass. It's not given give just a gram answer or kilogram answer. But we know that this much gram it's nothing but we can convert into kilogram form, so that just finally give kilogram answer. So question is just find the volumes, add their volumes, that's all. Surface area is different. Okay, now in the same way just we are going to solve seventh problem. A solid consisting of a right circular cone of height 120 centimeter and radius 60 centimeter standing on a hemisphere of radius 60 centimeter. Just one cone and below we have a hemisphere. One cone and below hemisphere form like a toy. Next, it is placed upright. Upright means below hemisphere and top we have cone. Upright, a right circular cylinder full of water. We have water in that cylinder such that it touches the bottom. That cone and hemisphere combined form is touch the bottom. Find the volume of water left in the cylinder. So just already we have a full of water in the cylinder. We are going to drop out one cone and hemispherical form in the particular cylinder. So what we can learn, certain waters going to remove from this cylinder, so that the remaining what we want to find left in the cylinder, remaining water in that particular cylinder. If the radius of the cylinder also 60 centimeter, so radius of the cone also, the base also 60 centimeter, and sphere hemisphere radius also 60 centimeter. So definitely this touches that their sides. So just we need to identify or study the picture. Already we have one cylinder height and that height of the cone and the hemisphere, it touches the bottom, so that the total heights are nothing but cylinder height, that is 120. This is nothing but this height is radius, because from center to any point on the curve shape, no, this is called a radius. So this one definitely a radius. So 120 plus 60, 180, like that we can give the height of the cylinder. Okay, just now combined form of cone and spherical, that is hemisphere, is we are going to drop out in that cylindrical form. So this is that form. Now we needed to understand, we are going to drop out, no, certain words removed, so that's we need to subtract from the cylinder. So volume of the cylinder minus volume of the combined form of cone and hemisphere. So this is the remaining water in that particular cylinder, remaining water volume. That is the question. Okay, the data are cone, the cone height 120 centimeter, radius 60 centimeter, hemisphere radius 60 centimeter given, same radius, so no need to give the differences, no need to give r dash. Cylinder, in the cylinder 120 plus this radius, so this one is a radius, this distance is a radius, so 60 centimeter. So total height is nothing but 180 centimeter, radius 60 centimeter. Now we are going to find first volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder is nothing but pi r squared h, but here giving that differences as h dash, so pi r squared h dash Otherwise we can use pi r squared h and substitute h in the cylinder height. So pi r squared h, so 22 divided by 7 into r squared, 60 into 60 into 180. We are solving combined form, so don't find that answer separate answer, just try to find the combined answer, right? Next, volume of a combined form of cone and hemisphere. Volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. So volume of cone 1 by 3 pi r squared h plus volume of hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube. Here r value is 60, so 60 squared, h value 120, that is cone radius and height, and hemisphere radius 60. Substitute. Now we are going to write the whole answer. Next, volume of water left in the cylinder equal to, first left out, that is this volume of cylinder minus volume of this combined shape, that is volume of cylinder minus volume of combined form of a cone and hemisphere. Substitute this data. So minus is common, so we need to multiply 1 by 1, minus into this volume of cone and minus into volume of hemisphere. So here 1 by 3, 22 divided by 7, 60, 60 into 120. Here 22 divided by 7, 60, 60. In all the term we have 22 divided by 7, that is 5 value, 60, 60 common, take it out outside. So here remaining this 120 and minus this 22 divided by 7, 60, 60 taken outside. So remaining 1 by 3 into 120. Here 2 by 3, 22 divided by 7, 60, 60 we are taken outside, so remaining 2 by 3 into 60. So cancel this 3 and 120, that is 4, that is 40. This 2 by 3, 3 into 60, 20, so 2 20s are 40, so 180 minus 40, 40, so that is 100. So 22 divided by 7 into 60 into 60 into 100, so definitely we can get the only decimal answer because of this 7. Right. Next is given centimeter answers. So 1 meter, now we have this much centimeter, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 digit we can convert into meter. So already we know that for 1 meter we have 100 centimeter. So 1 meter cube means 1 meter into 1 meter into 1 meter, that is meter cube. So that is for 1 meter cube 100 centimeter, second 1 meter 100 centimeter, third 1 meter 100 centimeter. So that is 100 into 100 into 100 centimeter cube. This one is nothing but this centimeter, this centimeter, this centimeter is nothing but centimeter cube. So this much centimeter cube for 1 meter cube. So volume equal to, we need to convert into centimeter, means that answer it's centimeter cubes. So we need to divide by this 100, 100, 100. That is we need to give the decimal 6 decimal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1 point. So 1 point this answer approximately. So approximate this much decimal. So idea, volume of cylinder minus volume of the combined shape. Why? The question is find the remaining water in the cylinder. The same way, find the water left out. Some water left out. No, what is that left out volume means? Just volume of cone and hemisphere. This one occupied certain volume, that is the volume of the left out water in the cylinder. So what is the remaining water means? Just subtract just volume of cylinder minus volume of the combined shape. So please understand. So this one is remaining water. Question is just find the volume of the water left in the cylinder. Left in the cylinder means inside how much water we have. So that is volume of cylinder minus volume of the combined shape. Left out, that means somewhat certain water, outside no, removed no, that is the volume of the combined form. Only the combined form of this cone and hemisphere. Okay. In the same way we are going to study next problem. A spherical glass vessel has a cylindrical neck 8 centimeter long, 2 centimeter in diameter. The diameter of the spherical part is 8.5 centimeter. Right. Spherical glass vessel. Spherical glass vessel means this form. So in top we have a cylindrical form. In bottom we have a sphere form. So sphere and a cylindrical form given. A spherical glass vessel has a cylindrical neck 8 centimeter long, that is height 8 centimeter and 2 centimeter in diameter. So this diameter 2 centimeter. The diameter of the spherical part is 8.5 centimeter. By measuring the amount of water it hold, by measuring means just that spherical glass vessel have the capacity of the water. Yes. A child finds its volume to be 345 centimeter cube. So volume of this shape is a child given by 345 centimeter cube. Question: check whether she is correct. Taking the above as the inside measurements and pi equal to 3.14. What is meant by inside measurements? Don't consider the thickness of the vessel. Don't consider the total weight of water and vessel. Just consider just volume of water in inside part of the conical vessel, inside part of the spherical glass vessel. So we need to find the volume of cylinder and sphere. Add the volumes. If their answer is 345 means their child answer is correct, otherwise it's not correct. Like that we need to give answer. So given diameter of cylinder 2 centimeter, so 2r equal to 2 centimeter, r equal to 2 by 2 1 centimeter, height 8 centimeter, sphere diameter 8.5 centimeter, so that is r dash equal to 8.5 by 2. Now volume of vessel equal to volume of cylinder plus volume of sphere. So pi r square plus 4 by 3 pi r cube, we need to give the difference, that's why r dash. So pi common, take it out outside. So r value 1, here r value 8.5 divided by 2, h value 8. So substitute here 8.5 divided by 2 power 3, so 8.5 by 2 into 8.5 by 2 into 8.5 by 2. Cancel this 2, 2s are 4, cancel. And finally 8.5 product, this 614.125 and 3 into 2 6. So divide this one, so 102, this addition 110.354. so pi value 3.14 given, substitute 3.14 and multiply, you can get the decimal answer 346.51156 centimeter cube. So our answer is decimal, but the child is given 345, so it's not a whole number, so they are not given as a approximate, just consider the approximative, like they're not given whether this answer is 345 or not, so it's not, so not a correct answer. That's why we can give it's not a correct answer, that is the child answer is not a correct answer. Check whether she is correct or not means it's not correct, the child answer is not correct. So use your pi value whatever that in problem given 3.14 means use, otherwise use pi value 22 divided by 7. Study well. Thank you.